From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, and thanks for clicking on your Campus Weather Service forecast. I'm student meteorologist Matt Ludwig. If we take a look over Beaver Stadium over the past couple hours, we see that overnight it's been a rather dreary night. It's been cloudy, rainy, and those conditions will persist into the day today. As you can see now, we still have cloudy and rather wet conditions. Temperatures are in the mid-50s with a little bit of a breezy wind from the northeast at 9 miles per hour, and these conditions will continue through most of the day. We will get a little bit warmer, but it will be cloudy, rainy, and a little bit breezy today as we move on through the day. If we take a look at the temperatures right now, temperatures are in the middle 50s across the region, and if we zoom out to the rest of the state, we see that the trend does continue, with the exception being in the southeast and northwest corners of the state where temperatures are in the middle 60s. If we take a look at the current radar, we see that a rather large batch of rain has made its way into the area, and if we take a look, we can see that the National Weather Service has issued a flood watch for the southern 2 tiers of counties in central Pennsylvania. This includes Cambria, Blair, and all the way over to Harrisburg. This is because there could be some localized amounts of 2 to 3 inches of rainfall through from last night into today, which could cause some flooding issues in areas mainly of poor drainage and other low-lying areas. But you may want to keep an eye on some rivers as they will be coming up today. I don't expect major river flooding, but I think some small streams could start to rise out of their banks. If we take a look at our future weather for today, we see that rain will continue on and off through the day. If you take a look at some of these darker shades of orange, that does denote some heavier rainfall. And because of this, we do see the forecast rainfall amounts are in the order of over 2 inches in Harrisburg, over 1 inch in Johnstown, and almost 1 inch in State College. Of course, these are not exact amounts, but they do give us a pretty good idea of where the heaviest rain will fall, which includes over the mountains of the Laurel Highlands and over the south central areas of the state, including Harrisburg and areas on south. Switching gears, I do want to take a quick look at the tropics. We do have Tropical Storm Matthew, which is becoming a very strong tropical system, and will move on through the Caribbean and feed off these very warm waters. Eventually, it will move over Cuba and into the Bahamas. Where it goes from there is still a little bit uncertain, but it is something that we are tracking at the Campus Weather Service, and will continue to update you as this system progresses. If we take a look at your forecast for today, we will have rain showers, which will be heavy at times, with lows around 61 degrees, and it will be breezy with winds around the 15 to 20 mile an hour range. If we take a look for tonight, we see that lows will be in the middle to upper 50s with some rain showers, and it will remain breezy with some winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. If we take a look for tomorrow, a little bit more of the same, although not quite as much rain. We will have a high of 62 degrees with winds again around the 15 to 20 mile an hour range. If we take a look at your 7-day forecast, we see that the rainy pattern will continue. There will be some rain on Saturday for the football game, although I think that we will see some breaks in the rain during the game. Rain will start to come to an end Saturday night. There could be a leftover shower early Sunday, and temperatures will start to rise again. High on Saturday of 66, Sunday 72. And then for the beginning of the work week next week, we will have another chance of showers, although I think we won't see nearly as much as we will today. High of 70, and then we will clear out again for the rest of the week.